Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you guys again today. And in this video, we'll be talking about our continuation of how to draw a true support and resistance. I mean a very strong level. And also before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and watching this video right now, subscribe now to get more content like this and put on the notification. And don't forget to like this video. So thank you very much. Now, let's continue. So in this video, as we are watching right now. So this is where we stopped last week. So looking at this one now, we're able to know that this particular level is a very strong level. But if I'm to draw my own support and resistance now, let me go to another chart of Bitcoin. Let me use Bitcoin. The thing is because most of the Bitcoin chart I have drawn something on it and I don't want to delete them. So that's why I want to go to another exchange that has, okay, let me use KuCoin. Okay, let me use Bitfinex. Bitstamp, I have Bitstamp, ETC, OKX. Come sorry for sorry. ETC, BS, Bitstamp, I have Bitstamp, Bitpanda, BTC, KuCoin, Let's check this one. Okay, correct. So now, if I'm to draw, this is a plain chart. So now let's identify some support and resistance. I can see that this is a level here. I can see a level here. I can see a level here where market has bounced. I'll pick up an horizontal line. I'll put it here. Can you see it was used here? It was used. Let me draw it out. It was used here. It was used here. It was used here. Do you understand? And also, it almost got used here, but let's take that one out. If I want to pick up another level again, I'll pick up this level. Yeah, and this level, you can see it was used here. We have it here, we have it here, we have it here, we have it here, we have it here. Can you see like that? If I'm to pick out another level again, let's see. Maybe you can, okay. Last for that, I can go back and see. Maybe we have some levels around there. Let's see. Okay, I can see that we have a level here. Do you understand? I can see that it was used here. Can you see here? It was used here also. It was used multiple times there and also here before bouncing up again. So let's see, maybe we can have one around there also. Can you see one is also here? Can you see? It was used here. It was used here also. It was used as a support here. And also have one here. So that's, can you see? Once we have a level that is used multiple times, at least 2 or more times, do you understand? That particular level is considered a very strong support and resistance level. Do you understand? It is within that region that you're expecting a bounce from the market, that the market should turn back from those regions. Let me show you. Look at this one now. Previously, the market used this particular level. The market bounced back. The market came down. Do you understand? No, sorry. Previously, after the market move up to this level, market touch here and pull back. Do you understand? On pulling back, the market try and come back to that level again. So because this particular level is recent, because it was just used of recent. So if you're looking at that level, maybe the market can reverse from that place. And what happened? The market gave a sell prayer from that region and the market was pushed down again from this region. Do you understand? So, and if you look at it, there's a level here also. So which, when the market pushed down to this region, market pulled back to this region and serve it as what? As a resistance again. From there, it's short again to this region. So for the market to continue this upward movement, now market needs to break this particular level for it to come and break this level again and move up again. So that's basically how it is for drawing. We are still drawing. Let's look for another chart again and draw something. Let's do fun. Let's choose maybe ETH. Let's find our ETH. Sorry. A mistake. ETH. So we are on the ETA chart now. Let's choose maybe one from Coinbase. And this is each ETA chart now. And we have to look for this support and resistance. We can see, I do use the rectangle very well. We can see that there is one around this region. Do you understand? And you look at it, it was used here. You can see the horizontal line. It was used here. It was used here. It was used here. Can you see? So the market went up, came down, went up, came down, broke it here. I used that what I support before moving up again. And what happened again? It was also used. We also have another level here and this region also. And in that region, we can see that we also use that region that we can also use this particular region also. Can you see that it was used here? It was used here and currently is in that region also. Can you see like that? And also, we also have another level here also. Can you see it was used here? It was used here. It was used here. And when the market book it here, it uses as a particular support them before moving up again. So that's basically how to draw a strong support and resistance. If you have to draw for this one, I'm looking at it, I'm gauging it out. So this is how you will drawing it. Can you see? If you have to look at it, it was used here. It was used here also. Can you see? And then this region, it was used here. Yeah. And also, if you have to look at this one, there's another one underneath again. Can you see? It was used throughout here. And it was used throughout here. So that's another one is also here again. You can see. Can you see? It was used here. It was used here. Here also. Can you see? That's how to draw a strong support and resistance. First things first, you need to zoom back. After zooming back, look at bear market has turned back. You can use a cross on your mouse like this to identify them. Once you see them, you click on it. You put an horizontal line around that region to see what is happening in that region. And if it's where the market is currently, can you see how the market is here currently? Can you see how I identify support and resistance for this particular current market also? So if the market should start shorting now, I'll be looking at this region for a strong pullback because this particular level is a strong level. There is a small level. There is a small level around it here also. Do you understand? Which is also a strong one because it was used here, it was used here, and here also. So the market should break this level and come down. Then you'll be expecting this region maybe to for a hold, and if it's unable to hold this region, I can bet you that this particular level will hold because it's very, very strong. It shows more of a turning point in this region than of this region. Do you understand? So that's how to draw a strong support and resistance. Once that particular level, when that particular zone has been used 2 or more times in the previous period, do you understand? And which is now serving as maybe support or resistance in the current period or the present period. Do you understand? That particular level is a very strong level. But if the level has always been used once, do you understand, before, and then maybe the market is coming or the price is coming to that particular region again, that particular level, you have to watch out for the candlestick formation around that region to know maybe it's going to hold or it's going to break it. You can't just assume that it should bounce back from it. But once the particular level has been used in the previous times, the previous period, maybe at least 2 times, do you understand? At least 2 times, 2 or more times, I can say that that particular level is a very strong level. So in our next video, I'm going to be giving you tips on how to identify and different scopes to use to identify a strong support and resistance and a weak support and resistance. So thank you very much for watching this video up to this moment, and don't forget to just like and subscribe for this channel. And our next video, we'll be talking about how to make sure that you draw a good support and resistance with extra tips I'm going to be giving you. So be expecting me this video during the weekend. Thank you very much, and God bless you.